Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel EXP22 Excel Chapter 8 Cumulative Assessment Employee Certification. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. We move to the main project steps. Total step is 17. Question number 1 is start Excel download and open the file name EXP22 Excel Chapter 8 Cumulative Assessment Employee Certification. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Go to the Excel worksheet. I have already downloaded the EXP22 Excel Chapter 8 Cumulative Assessment Employee Certification. So question number 1 is complete. And we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is ensure the employee certification worksheet is active. Then use the frequency function to calculate the frequency distribution of job certification in column D. Place your result in the range G5 to G9. From the employee certification worksheet, go to the Excel worksheet and select the employee certification worksheet. Then use the frequency function to calculate the frequency distribution of job certification in column D. Place your result in the range J5 to G9. So employee certification worksheet and select the cell G5. Type is equal to and type the frequency function and select the range D4 to D53. To D53 and F5 to F9. F5 to F9, close bracket and press enter. So question number 2 is complete and we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is enter a function in cell G12 to calculate the standard deviation of column C. So next, enter a function in cell G12. Go to the Excel worksheet and select the cell G12 and to calculate the standard deviation of column C. Cell G12 and type is equal to type the stat function and next stat function standard deviation of column C. Select the salary column C4 to C53. C4 to C53, close bracket and press enter. And next question number 3 is complete. We move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is enter a function in cell G30 to calculate the variance between salary. So in variance function variance function in cell G13 to calculate the variance between the salary. Go to the Excel worksheet and select the cell G13, type is equal to, and type the variance function, and next arrange salary column C4 to C53. And close bracket and press enter. And next so question number 4 is complete, and we move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is, enter a function in cell G14 to calculate the covariance of the salary and job certification in the data set. Note this is the sample of data, not a population. So next, enter the function in cell G14. Go to the Excel worksheet and select the cell G14 covariance function to calculate the covariance of the salary and job certification in the data set. Note this is the sample of data, not a population. So go to the Excel worksheet and select the cell G14, type is equal to, and type the covariance function, and next covariance of the salary and job certification in the data set. Note this is a sample of data, not a population. Select the salary column C4 to C53. C4 to C53 and D4 to D53. Extra and D4 to D53. Close bracket and press enter. So question number 5 is complete, and we move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is, enter a function in cell F70 to calculate the correlation coefficient between the employee's salary and job satisfaction. In cell F17, select the cell F17, enter a function in cell F17 to calculate the correlation coefficient between the employee's salary and job satisfaction. Cell F17, type is equal to, and type the correl function, and select the range C4 to C53, and next D4 to D53. Second is D4 to D53. and collaborate and press centers. So question number 6 is complete, and we move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is, ensure the data analysis toolpack add-in is active and use the data analysis toolpack to create a histogram based on the salary column C. Use the range I4 to I9 as the bin range. Ensure that the cumulative percentage column labels and chart output are included in the result. Place the result in cell K4, edit the result text in cell K4 and display the salary if necessary. Show the data to go to the data tabs and go to the data analysis groups and data analysis, and use the data analysis toolpack to create the histogram and click OK. Create the histogram based on the salary column C. Put range in salary column C and use the range I4 to I9 bin range I4 to I9 bin range I4 to I9. Ensure that the cumulative percentage column label and chart output are include the result. Place the result in column C. Show that the cumulative percentage and column label and chart output include the result and place the result in cell K4. In cell K4 and added the result K4, display the salary if necessary. Ensure the cumulative percentage column label and chart output and click OK. Place the autofit column M, L and K. So question number 7 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.